How to safely heat a honey-baked ham to keep it moist and flavorful.
Hello, ham lovers. Today, we're going to answer a very important question. Is it safe to heat honey-baked ham in foil, and how can we ensure it maintains its moisture and flavor? So, let's dive in and learn the best practices for heating your honey-baked ham.
Is it safe to heat honey-baked ham in foil?
The answer to this question is a resounding yes. Using aluminum foil to heat your honey-baked ham is not only safe, but it's also one of the best ways to retain moisture. It's important to note, however, that we're using the oven for reheating, and not a microwave. Metallic materials, such as aluminum foil, can cause a fire if used in a microwave. So let's stick to the oven for this process.
How to heat honey-baked ham.
Step 1. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. This lower temperature helps prevent the ham from drying out. Step 2. Remove all packaging from the honey-baked ham. This includes any plastic or paper that might be around it. Step 3. Wrap your ham. Take a piece of aluminum foil large enough to completely wrap around your ham. Make sure the ham is fully covered to prevent it from drying out during the heating process. Step 4. Heat the ham. Place the foil-wrapped ham on a baking tray and heat it in the preheated oven. The general rule is to heat it for about 10 minutes per pound of ham. Step 5. Let the ham rest. After heating, remove the ham from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before unwrapping and serving. This will allow the juices to redistribute throughout the ham, maintaining its moisture and flavor.
How to maintain the moisture and flavor.
The secret to maintaining the moisture and flavor of your honey-baked ham is not overcooking it and using foil to lock in the natural juices. Overcooking can dry out your ham, and not using foil can allow the moisture to escape, leaving your ham dry and less flavorful. Also, letting the ham rest after heating is crucial. It allows the juices, which may have been driven to the center of the ham during heating, to redistribute and reabsorb into the meat. This ensures your ham stays moist and flavorful from the first slice to the last. So there you have it. It's safe and even beneficial to heat your honey-baked ham in foil in the oven. Remember the key steps. Preheat your oven, remove all packaging, wrap the ham in foil, heat it at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes per pound, and let it rest before serving. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your honey-baked ham remains moist and full of flavor. Happy ham heating!